Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through using Todoist to track academic assignments. So let's dive right in. First off, open up Todoist and create a new project. Click on the plus icon in the bottom right, name it Academic Assignments, and hit Enter. This helps us because it organizes all your academic tasks into one dedicated place, making it easy to track and manage. Now that we've done that, let's start adding tasks. Click on Add Task, type in the name of the assignment, and set the due date. The reason we do this is to keep a clear record of all assignments with their respective deadlines. Remember, you can also add subtasks if an assignment has multiple parts. Next up, we're going to set priorities. Todoist allows you to assign 4 levels of priority to each task. High priority tasks are denoted by a red flag. This helps us because it ensures we focus on the most important tasks first, thereby managing our time more effectively. Now let's take advantage of Todoist's recurring tasks feature. If you have a task that repeats, like a weekly assignment, type it in as a task, then type every week in the date field. Todoist will automatically schedule it for you every week. This is key because it saves us from having to manually enter the task every time. Finally, don't forget to review your tasks regularly. Checking off completed tasks and reviewing upcoming ones ensures you stay on top of your academic workload. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you complete tasks, Todoist updates your productivity trend to keep you motivated and focused. And that's it, folks. You've just mastered the art of using Todoist to track your academic assignments. With this tool at your fingertips, staying organized and on top of your studies just got a whole lot easier. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.